In our previous two videos, we already discussed the start capacitor and run capacitor. In today's video, we're going to learn how to check a capacitor. Let's begin. To test a capacitor, some people directly connect it to a power supply to charge it, and then short both terminals together. If a spark appears, they assume the capacitor is good. While this method can work, it's quite dangerous and not recommended. The safe and proper way to check a capacitor is by using a multimeter. If the capacitor appears leaking, swollen, or damaged, it should be replaced immediately. Now let's see how to safely remove and test a capacitor. Before removing it, make sure you're wearing proper protective gear and that all power supplies are completely turned off. After disconnecting the capacitor, take an insulated screwdriver and touch both terminals, one at a time, to discharge any remaining power. You might notice a small spark when doing this. Repeat this process 2 or 3 times to make sure it's fully discharged. Every capacitor has a rated capacitance value written on it, usually ranging from 5 microfarads to 80 microfarads, depending on its type and size. Now let's check it with the multimeter. After discharging the capacitor, set your multimeter's selector switch to capacitance mode. Then, connect the red probe to one terminal and the black probe to the other. Wait a few seconds, and the measured capacitance value will appear on the display. If the reading is close to the value printed on the capacitor, then the capacitor is working properly. If not, it means the capacitor has failed and needs to be replaced. Keep in mind that the reading can vary by plus or minus 5%, which is usually mentioned on the capacitor label itself. Now, for dual capacitors, the checking process is slightly different. Place one multimeter probe on the HERM compressor terminal and the other on the common terminal. This will show the capacitance for the compressor side. Next, place one probe on the fan terminal and the other again on the common terminal. This will give you the capacitance value for the fan motor. And that's how you test a capacitor using a multimeter. There are several ways to check a capacitor, but this one is the most accurate and easiest method to use. If you have any questions about this video, feel free to ask in the comments section below. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel, Intact Knowledge. Thank you for watching.